The adverb
perfino,
is made up of the prefix
per,
and the preposition
fino,
meaning up to or as far as.
perfino.
It's used in a similar way to the adverb even in English, in that it emphasizes something surprising or extreme. Important: perfino has an alternative form,
Persino.
but don't worry, they're completely interchangeable.
Mio figlio ha vissuto ovunque. Ha perfino trascorso un anno in Antartide.
My son has lived all over the place. He even spent a year in the Antarctic. Perfino can also appear in comparative phrases to add emphasis. For example,
Non lo credevo possibile, ma c'è gente che di calcio ne sa perfino meno di me.
I didn't think it was possible, but there are people who know even less about soccer than me. In either of these phrases, it's possible to substitute perfino with similar adverbs like
Addirittura,
even or
anche.
also. Note, however, that addirittura has a slightly stronger connotation, whereas anche is weaker.
Mio figlio ha vissuto ovunque. Ha addirittura trascorso un anno in Antartide. Ha anche trascorso un anno in Antartide.
Another possible translation is just. In this case, you could also say
Solo, anche soltanto.
meaning even only in Italian.
Mi viene la pelle d'oca perfino a pensarci. Mi viene la pelle d'oca anche solo a pensarci.
I get goosebumps just thinking about it.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.